Welcome back to A Ride in the Country. I'm Cliff Fawcett, your host. If you're new to the channel, you'll probably recognize the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 because this is my newest bike and the bike that really has caused my channel to get a lot larger. Those of you who are OG subscribers, you know the Honda CRF250L was really the original bike. And before that, before I was even recording videos, I got this 2015 Yamaha Zuma 50. So a little update on the Zuma. I just got new tires put on. It's got about 2,500 miles. And very interestingly, I had a really bad death wobble, which I thought was due to the worn out tires. And it might have been that, but when they put the new tires on, the wobble went away. But I noticed that they put some wheel weights, and there was no weights on previously. So maybe there was wheel weights originally and they fell off. I'm not sure. But anyway, we got fresh new rubber on the Yamaha Zuma, and that is really great. I use that to ride to work a lot of days. It's just a lot easier to get on and off of, and a lot better on the gas. I've had my first service on the Meteor 350. I had it done at the dealership. They adjusted the valves, they lubricated the clutch, adjusted the clutch lever, adjusted the brakes, did a number of other things. And the total I'll post down below because I can't remember what it was. But I felt like it was reasonable for what I got, and I'm glad that I had it serviced as per Royal Enfield's recommendation. So let's load up this CRF250L and get out for a ride in the country. That ain't going nowhere. Pike State Forest APV area is in southern Ohio. It's about an hour and 20 minutes from my house. It's open to the public. You either have to have a current license plate on your motorcycle, or you have to have purchased a sticker which gives you access. They take motorcycles and also small four-wheelers. A certain width, and I can't remember what it is. You can look it up on the web. Getting closer to Pike at this point, probably about 5 miles away. You can see the trees are a lot taller, the road is a lot narrower and a lot more twisty, and a lot less flat. So we're getting close to it. Well, I'm here at Pike State Forest APV area. Gonna go for a ride. It's a beautiful day. About 84 degrees. Quiet. Just a couple of people here, and got the whole place to myself pretty much. So let's go hit the trails. Enjoy a ride in the country. That was a lot of fun. That was great. Listen, for you OG subscribers, this is where it all started. And for you new ones, I hope you like this. Don't forget, if you ever want to go for a ride in the country, but it's too hot, too cold, too wet, too dark, it's always nice right here on YouTube for a ride in the country.